How to log in to Canada Post employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Canada Post employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Canada Post employee website or simply log in. So whichever one you search, you'll get this website called infopost.ca. So just open that up. And this is the website. You can directly head over there as well. So after you're there, scroll down and there you'll find an option called Enter Post, and there you'll see the login and get access to all the tools. Tap on login button right here and this should take you to this website. So all you have to do is just type in your user ID here. So type in whatever your user ID is and then your password as well. After you type both of those in, tap on login button, and after you tap on login, you'll get logged in. So these credentials will be provided to you by your company. And yeah, that's basically how you do this. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.